I just came back from the gym. I'm super hungry, so I want to show you a quick vegetarian high protein meal that I like to prepare. All right, to make the broth, we're gonna need a lime, a lemongrass stalk, bay leaf, garlic clove that kind of smashed, some dried shiitake mushrooms. These add a lot of flavor, so if you do have some, put them in. I got some green onion stalks that we're gonna add to the broth, ginger, just the cilantro stems because the fresh leaves we're gonna use as garnish, some Szechuan pepper, salt, and then once the broth is made, we're gonna add in all our ingredients for the noodle bowl. So here I have some extra firm tofu that I froze, oyster mushrooms, some thinly sliced carrots, guilan greens, bean sprouts, and then fresh cilantro as a topping. And I'll be using these konjac noodles, which are absolutely 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 fat, 0 everything, so basically eating nothing, but it'll give you a nice texture like noodles. In a pot of boiling water, we're gonna add in our broth ingredients. So first I'm gonna add in these 2 shiitake dried mushrooms right inside. I'm gonna add in my lemongrass, and you have to have them, otherwise the aromatics won't come out. We have a garlic clove that crisp crushed, bay leaf, some chopped green onions, ginger slices, cilantro stems. This is actually where all the flavor resides. Some pepper salt. Last but not least, I'm actually gonna zest the lime for the flavor. So for the shiitake noodles, I like cutting them because I want to eat it like a noodle, so I just kind of cut the bundles. Now it's time to cook all our vegetables. So here I have some carrots, the guilan, place it in, the extra firm tofu and bean sprouts, and you're gonna cover it for about 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes and all my vegetables I wilted down. I just wanna squeeze some fresh lime juice. Never have enough lime. Love this lime squeezer. Right, let's give it a try. The broth is the most important part. Oh my goodness, this is comfort food in a bowl. That's super, super easy to make. And if you're not having this post-workout, you can drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on it for some extra richness. Until next time, relish every bite.